Hello, everyone, and welcome to how to configure dynamic field visibility control in your SmartSimple Cloud system. In this video, we will go over and review what is dynamic field visibility control, how you can benefit using this feature in your system, how to use it in your universal tracking application, and steps on how to create or configure it in your system. What is dynamic field visibility control? The dynamic field visibility control feature is used to create sets of fields that are displayed or hidden dependent on the value selected from another custom field. Now I'll show you an example. So in this example, I'm going to go to an application in one of the UTAs or universal tracking applications, click on the application, and here you'll find that I have a field that asks a question. How many states will be targeted by this initiative? So here you can see that I can choose a few options. If I choose 3, you'll see that more fields populate with more questions. So I can choose different responses for the different questions. The benefit of the dynamic field visibility control is that you're able to save space in your application depending on the questions asked. You can see I can also choose other options, and there will be more space available. And now we will show you how to configure this. The feature uses tree settings to add fields and branches. The actual steps for configuration for the dynamic field visibility control feature are summarized below. The feature uses tree settings to add fields and branches. The dynamic field visibility control feature can be created against level 1s, level 2s, level 3s, users, and organizations. Click on your UTA. Then click Configuration Settings. Then the level you would like to create the dynamic field visibility. Here, we're clicking on Application. There, you'll click on Dynamic Field Visibility Controls. Here, you would add a new Dynamic Field Visibility Control. First, you'll have to set up a name. You can add a description. You can also restrict the application type by choosing which type you would like to use. Here, we'll click on Education Grant, and then click Save. Now, you'll see that you have your primary field. The primary field, and indeed all controlling custom fields, must be either Select Many checkbox or a Select One combo box type field, as these are the only ones with finite numbers and predefined options. Click on the primary field. This exposes the Edit Field option, which includes a dropdown showing all checkbox and combo box custom fields available for the current entity. We will choose the one we need. Once we choose the one we need, we will click Apply. Once the primary field is selected, then the next step is to define the path through which other fields will be displayed. The first step here is to create branches based on the options available against the primary field. So we will click on the plus sign, click on the text field within the Add New Branch screen to expose the select one of the primary field options. Then click Apply. You will be taken back to the Dynamic Field Visibility Control screen, which will show you all branches created under the primary field. This screenshot Here you will see that you have available for one. If you would like to add another option, click on the plus again, choose the option, and click apply. Here, you'll be able to choose multiple options. There you can add more branches based on how customized you would like your dynamic field visibility. Then click Save. Once configured, you'll see here that we're able to choose the option and it'll provide us the information. For more information, visit the SmartSimple wiki page listed in the description or email platformsolutions@smartsimple.com. Thank you.